Dine Out, an appetizing dive into English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we are about to explore an interesting phrase in the English language, dine out. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it effectively. Let's get started. Dine out is a phrase that's made of two words, dine and out. On its own, dine means to eat a meal, especially dinner. When combined with out, it refers to the act of eating a meal at a restaurant or an outside location rather than at home. For example, I don't feel like cooking tonight. Let's dine out. This means, I don't feel like preparing food at home tonight. Let's go to a restaurant. The phrase, dine out, can be used in various contexts. 1. As an occasional treat. Every once in a while, we like to dine out and try a new restaurant. 2. Due to convenience, since I was working late, I decided to dine out instead of heading home to cook. 3. Celebratory occasions. It's our anniversary. We're going to dine out at that fancy place downtown. 4. Negative use. Sometimes, people use it to express concern about spending too much. We've been dining out a lot lately. We should save money and eat at home more. There are a few phrases related to dine out that might be handy. 1. Dine in. To eat a meal at home or at the place where the food was ordered, especially at a restaurant. 2. Do you want to dine in or take your food to go? 3. Take out, take away. Food that is ordered and bought at a restaurant but taken elsewhere to be eaten. 4. I'm not in the mood to sit at the restaurant. Let's get takeout. 5. Eat out. It's almost synonymous with dine out, but can be used for meals other than dinner. 6. We eat out quite often, especially for lunch. And that brings us to the end of our delicious journey into the phrase, dine out. Hopefully, the next time you decide to head to a restaurant, or just want to express the idea in conversation, you'll remember the essence and context of this phrase. Remember, language is not just about words, but also the flavor they bring to our conversations. Happy learning and bon appétit!